आमची गोंयची भुरग्यांक केन्ना चान्स मेळना दुसरे स्टेटीन वचपाक खेळपाक. ते आमगे भुरग्यांक केन्ना तेंगे टिमी घेयनात आनी रिप्रेजेंट कर म्हूण सांगनात. म्हूण आमचे गोंयकाराचे टिमी ते काडटात आनी तांकां चान्स दितात. Honorable Speaker, the reason being given that 30% or some percentage is permitted to be allowed. Permitting someone is different from mandatory to have. There's a difference between it. Reason ditat, we don't have players, we don't have people who can win medals for us. But they have no affection, no कांय आमचे गोंयचो मोग कांय ना. ते येतात, फेडटात, जिखले नाल्यार वयतात ते. तांकां सर्टिफिकेट मेळटात. They get even jobs there if they get they represented for nationals or internationals. And even sometimes they get preference seats. Our Goans are just left out. I also believe one thing, if our Goans are given the chance, एक प्लॅटफॉर्म आसपा जाय, एक चान्स मेळ्ळ्यार आमचे भुरगे तुनेणा खूंय पावतले. If we always keep under the belief that आमचे भुरग्यांक जायना, our children are unfit, we will remain with this. My question, which I think sometimes in my mind is, when will we improve our standards? आमी sports infrastructure कोतात, grounds कोतात, all the equipment हाडटात आमी, and then finally, after training our children, they all look forward that we will now participate, and suddenly their names are eliminated. Amche te platform atenna, that platform is one chance to overcome a stage fright. When they go on a stage, you overcome a stage fright. Secondly, they get a chance to participate. Third, they learn about team spirit. They learn about preparedness for competitive games, and they finally stand on that platform and either achieve or at least participate. If we don't give our children this kind of a boost, I don't think there is even need of trying to say we are promoting sports.